Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. The top stories this hour. Prudent Media's unique initiative to enlighten people on draft regional plan draws success. People across the state interact with Edgar Rivero and Ritu Prasad. Senior Rane not to contest Lok Sabha polls. No plans of joining Congress, clarifies Vishwajit Rane. Sonsoda garbage catches fire. 54 lakhs spent on garbage disposal plant gutted. Panji police nabbed 2 fraudulent persons, remanded to 7 days police custody. And St. Anthony's Sporting defeated Nerul Sporting Club by 5-3. Now the news in detail. When whole Goa is confused over the draft regional plan, Prudent Media organized a program on Tuesday at Makine's Palace to alleviate people from the burden of questions. Let's watch more.
ODP notify जातात. टास्क फोर्स कितें म्हणटा ODP जो आसा तो रिजनल प्लॅनाच्या भितर येवपाक जाय. म्हणजे रिजनल प्लॅन जे आसा संबंध गोंया खातीर तातूंत म्युनिसिपालिटी आयल्यो, गांव आयले, पंचायती सगळे आयले. टीसीपी डिपार्टमेंट कितें म्हणटा की ODP वेगळी, रिजनल प्लॅन वेगळो. आनी लोकांचो मदले मदीं गोंधळ हो खंयचे बरोबर खंयचे चूक. आता थोडे ग्रामपंचायती म्हणपा लागल्या की आमकां ह्यो रिजनल प्लॅन 21 बी नाका म्हणून. पयलीं 11 नाका व्हडलो 11 भायर उडयलो, आतां 21 बी नाका म्हणून आनी कन्फ्युजन जाल्ला.
Member of Task Force Edgar Rivero and GBA member Ritu Prasad were present to answer questions raised by the Goans. Edgar Rivero explained the model of draft regional plan 2021 to Goans.
Regional plan and settlement plans as a combined exercise. The regional plan need not be for the state, it can be for any part of the state. So to address the constitutional requirements, we request you not to look upon this as a regional plan RPG 21 for Goa. Look upon it as 2 district plans. The district regional plan for North Goa and the regional district plan for South Goa. That would be an improvement from what was there earlier. But instead of looking at a plan at 1 to 100,000 scale, you can look at a plan at 1 to 50,000 scale. It's about twice the size. Not as large enough as you would like it, but large enough for you to react.
Ritu Prasad also helped people in understanding the concept of the regional plan.
Problem is, what do we do about them? What you have to do is, if in your ward there are roads which are shown, which are not there, and which are not required, mention that. If roads have been left out, please mention that. And all this you can do by making notes, using a base map to make points and maybe photographs. Use whatever means you have, but basically document it, record it, get it stamped by the village committee, so it's all there for records. And these have to be given in, because unless we rectify this map, we will have problems in the future.
Our reporter in Panji, Devidas Kamli. Is Vishwajit Rane planning to join Congress? Well, it's a $1 million question. But when asked by media persons about his plans, Junior Rane said that he does not have any plans of joining Congress party at the moment. He also clarified that Pratap Singh Rane is not interested in contesting Lok Sabha polls. While speaking to reporters in Porvorim, Vishwajit Rane brushed aside any plans of his father Pratap Singh Rane contesting the North Goa Lok Sabha seat. Here is what Goa's Health Minister said.
Pratap Singh Rane is not contesting Lok Sabha, and nor am I joining the Congress party at the moment.
Well, Vishwajit Rane spoke to media persons in Porvorim after attending a meeting of State Health Department and National Institute of Malaria Research. Good news is that Goa government has signed a MOU with National Institute of Malaria Research for bringing down the rate of malaria in the state. Every year, around 10,000 malaria cases are encountered in Goa, of which 3,600 are of falciparum malaria.
Goa is the first state government to carry out such an initiative, because I am very concerned about the rise in falciparum malaria, and the rate of malaria was going growing at a very fast pace. So how we, Director Health Services, myself, we sat down and we decided that these people have come forward, and why not we take this to its logical conclusion by signing MOU and then going forward, and whatever financial assistance, the Department of Health will back this initiative.
Our reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandulkar. Sonsoro garbage plant caught fire on Sunday afternoon. The garbage dumped at Sonsoro from past 2 years was burning. Ironically, 54 lakhs were allotted in the first phase to this plant have turned into ashes.
Fire gripped Sonsoro garbage site at Fatorda late Saturday evening and later increased by Sunday evening. Besides Goa State Fire Force, fire tenders were called in from Margao, Kursade, Ponda and Verna as the intensity of the fire was very high. Heavy smoke comprising hazardous carbon monoxide was seen in the area. Fire personnel slogged hard to control the spreading menace. Kurtorim MLA Alexio Reginaldo Lorenzo, when visited the site, was furious over the matter.
Investigation circles up was Papa, somebody is really doing it. What is the reason? Whether it is because of fallout of high keep or whether it is some other thing, whether there is some ulterior motive. I think the municipality should make proper investigation.
Fatorda MLA Damodar Naik was also not satisfied with the way things were working regarding garbage disposal.
Chief Minister recently had an inspection. The day one he resumed that chair on 8th June. On 9th June he himself along with all the officers came and inspected this site. But now it's 2 years past. I think this garbage problem is not yet solved.
Our reporter from Margao, Sandan Rodriguez.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.